Yeah. Here. Okay. I guess we're putting this bad boy in.
What we're doing right now is we're gonna take off the existing harness, which we could have used, but it's just much cleaner to use a $70 harness, which is sitting there. That's an eBay harness.
$100.
A $100 eBay harness. So we're taking off the existing harness because there's a lot of sensors that won't be used and just be hanging, or you cut it out. And I could have took this harness off and did a harness rework, but it was just easier for us to buy that. So we're gonna take this harness off. We're gonna put in a new harness. And this harness is designed for this to be inside the cab. And we're gonna put this inside the cab. We're gonna come through the firewall and we're gonna pull all this through the firewall. And then we'll unplug that harness and plug this harness in as we go. And then we'll get the harness on. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to drop the tank and get the fuel system going. And we'll make a video, not make a video, but we'll add all that into the video, but we're not gonna actually show you how to do it because there's so many videos online on how to do an LS swap in OBS. So we'll probably just do like a montage of it. But that's after we get this harness on. So we're gonna work on that now.
Turn into a cut. I don't even know if we're doing it right, but you know.
It'll work, don't worry, we'll make it work. As long as the engine starts, then all the other stuff we can figure out.
If you spend $200, it'll be good.
I'm gonna laugh when he hits me up tonight, dude. I have to order it, bro. I'm like, yeah, I already told you that.
Do we want to pull it through over there and then we'll put the...
Yeah, we'll pull it through. I'm just looking to make sure that the ground is, yeah, right here. That's the ground for the head.
Which side? You want me to pull it through?
Yeah. Transmission. No, that's alternator.
Transmission over here. Well, after that, it just has that grommet.
The grommet goes up against the firewall on your side. All right. Good enough. That actually looks good, doesn't it? It looks almost stock. Get the intake manifold so you put it back on. Can't do all this without the intake manifold on here. Just do the rear two and then the front two. Plugging the motherfucker in.
This one goes to the back.
Yeah, that drops down. That's transmission.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know. We're about to find out. And these all should just plug right in.
Yeah, they should. Like this one right here. Oh, really?
Way better.
Ah, baby. Yeah.
And this is your main harness that goes here for your coil packs.
Okay. Kind of got that. Wow.
Oh, that goes to the back. now that this is wired up, we have to do to get it started, we have to do the fuel pump. And then after the fuel pump, we're gonna wire the fuel pump and then wire the ignition switch in here, so when you turn the key, it'll actually turn the engine over. And that all has to do with the charge harness, which he's doing now to the starter. He's connecting those to the starter, and then we gotta do the charge harness to the battery. And that'll energize the whole thing.
All right, we're back, guys. We got that
Harness on.
harness on that he told me to order, which I didn't order. I didn't listen. Sorry.
It's all good. For us, it was a few days. For you guys, it was like seconds.
So we got the other one out. We did all kinds of stuff. We still kept our oil pressure from the original truck. We gotta get small adapters. Like I said, this is literally like we're trying to do this in our garage, as you can see. So we're running into little hiccups here and there, but we're taking you guys along with us so you guys know what y'all need. We'll put the link of what we bought, because this is pretty much, it was pretty good. Plug and play, huh?
Yeah, it worked really good.
It worked really good. We'll still need to buy, I still need to get some injectors, the O-rings. Yeah, we need gaskets for the intake. I don't know why you call them cathedrals.
That's what they're called.
That's what it's called. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Cathedrals?
I'm not gonna.
because it looks like a little church.
It looks like little churches.
Huh?
Looks like little churches.
It's called cathedral. Anyway, moving on. So next week we're gonna do the fuel pump. And we're gonna get the fuel line set up. We got the in the tank pump. You'll guys see that in the next video. I'm gonna run the custom AN lines, and I gotta wire in the fuel pump. I gotta wire in the ignition, and then we should be able to turn the key, and the car should start right away. The truck should start right away. So that's next week. So
Don't promise.
Stay tuned.
We'll see.
don't
for
promise
sure.
what.
Guys,
Hopefully it starts.
Hopefully, yeah, I mean, yeah.
There is no promise in working on
Oh, here we
old
go.
ass cars.
That's true.
Right.
This is, yeah.
And we'll see you guys next week.
Peace.
Later.